Welcome to DataTex. Let's take a look at Case Scenario AQM reports. Head to the AQM icon at the top of the page, scroll to Reports and select Case Scenario. Start by making your selections of what you would like to view on your report. Decide on a date range. You can choose to either show a worst case scenario or a best case scenario report. You can decide on a type, which is either question, section, or templates. This will show the worst or best scoring questions, sections, or templates. Pass, total, fail are not included in these reports. Or you can choose an amalgamation of the following types: section, question, pass, total, fail, section, category, question, pass, total, fail, or category, section, question, pass, total, fail. Since pass, total, fail always has a score of 0, these reports will show these questions separately. Below this, you can specify your report even further. The default for all the below selections is all. You can choose a search type between recordings, chats, or emails. You can select a specific agent or agents to view if you only want the information regarding that agent or agents. You will be able to specify how many cases you would like to have shown on your report. You can decide to view only selected templates information. Specific supervisors can be included or excluded in the report. Different groups and their subgroups can also be chosen to be viewed within the report. Finally, you can decide which percentages you would like to see. However, this only applies for question, section, and template. When you select template as your type, the option to specify your templates falls away. Let's start with the 3 best case scenarios for questions. Here you can see the question that was asked and the highest performing questions, the average score given, the average total given, the average percentage, and the number of times this question was answered. If you click on the question, it will show each time the question was answered within that selected period of time. We now move on to the 3 best case scenarios for sections. All questions are categorized into different sections. The report shows the highest scores for each of those sections, with the average score given, the average total, the average percentage, as well as the number of questions answered within that section. If you click on the section, you will be able to see further details about that section. The 3 best case scenarios report for templates shows the highest scoring templates, with the average score given, the average total, the average percentage, as well as the number of reviews done. If you click on a specific template, it will show all the reviews that were done with that template. The next 3 types of case scenarios are focused on the pass, total, fail. The description shows you in which order the information will appear with the order of priority. The first option shows the section, the question, the number of passed questions, the number of total fail questions, and the number of questions in total. The next type adds the category to the report, which helps distinguish which category this section appears in. The final type prioritizes the category first, with all the same information as the 2 previous types before. If you were to go back and select worst instead of best, all the same type of information will be shown, but with the worst case scenario results. The worst case scenario reports helps identify where training needs to be done according to the type of report selected. For example, which question has the lowest score. The highest scoring questions under best case scenario will not necessarily require any further training. We hope this helps you understand the case scenario reports better. Subscribe to get notified on new videos when they are released.